Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got another tune-up report on the RCI-2970N2. This is for Adam in Florida. Adam has a few switches on the back here. The first one is an amplifier switch. I've got it turned off right now. And a talkback switch. I've also got it turned off right now. So the power is all the way down to minimum. Let's check it out over here. This watt meter is showing 10 watts on the top scale. So all the way down. It's about 1. All the way up, it's about 6. Remember, the amplifier switch is turned off right now. And our peak power on a 50 watts, so I'll use 50 right there. Audio. About 54. All right, and then on sideband, audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 40 there. Okay. So now I'm going to go back to the switch in the back, turn it on, and we'll come back over here, and we're going to keep it on the 10 watt scale. We turn the front power control all the way down, all right, the power all the way down, the amp on, we got 6 watts, and now I'll put it on a 100 watt scale up here, and then turn the knob all the way up, about 62 or so. And we'll have to change this out. I like to use this 500 slug. So we're reading in the middle here. Add a 0 to each one. So that 20 is 200. Audio. Oh, 245 there. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. And then take it to sideband, take a look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 220. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check? Appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.